Hey everyone! Welcome to this video tutorial learning C# using Windows Forms. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the basics of C# and how to get started with building desktop applications using Windows Form. C# is now widely used for developing a variety of applications, including desktop applications, web applications, mobile apps, games, and more. It is a popular language among developers due to its ease of use, strong typing, garbage collection, and other features that make it a powerful tool for software development. Windows Forms, on the other hand, is a GUI framework provided by Microsoft for building desktop applications on the Windows operating system. It provides a set of pre-built controls and components that can be used to create windows, buttons, menus, dialogues, and other user interface elements for desktop applications. This tutorial is divided into 9 chapters, in which the necessary basic steps regarding the used IDE, integrated development environment, and the necessary skills are explained. See this as an introduction to development with C# and Visual Studio. On the next sites you will see what you can expect in this and the following videos from this tutorial. So let's not lose any time, and after a little introduction to the world of C#, let's start with the tutorial overview and the first video from this series. Why C#? C# can be used for almost everything no matter in which direction or interests your way goes. Since it is also the main language used for Unity, later entry into game development for almost all platforms is easier. I myself like to use Unity together with C# to develop games and apps for Android. If needed, I will be happy to make videos in this direction later on. Firstly, you can use C# to create desktop applications. This includes everything from simple console applications to complex graphical user interfaces. C# provides extensive libraries and frameworks for developing desktop applications, which makes it easy for developers to create robust and efficient applications. Secondly, you can use C# to create mobile apps. With the rise of smartphones, mobile apps have become an integral part of our lives. C# offers a variety of frameworks and tools for creating mobile apps, such as Xamarin and Unity, which allow you to create cross-platform apps for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Thirdly, you can use C# to create games. C# is a popular language for game development, thanks to the Unity game engine. Unity allows you to create games for a variety of platforms, including desktop, mobile, and console. You can use C# to write game logic, create game objects, and implement physics and other game mechanics. Fourthly, you can use C# to create web applications. C# is used in combination with ASP.NET to create web applications that run on the web server. This includes everything from simple websites to complex web applications that require authentication, authorization, and data manipulation. Fifthly, you can use C# for cloud computing. With the rise of cloud computing, C# has become an essential language for developing cloud-based applications. You can use C# to create applications that run on cloud platforms such as Microsoft Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. And it can be used for C# for database programming. C# provides extensive libraries for working with databases, making it easy to create applications that store, retrieve, and manipulate data. You can use C# to connect to a variety of databases, including SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle. All parts of this tutorial are: Learn C# using Windows Forms, getting started. Learn C# using Windows Forms, basics. Learn C# using Windows Forms, variables. Learn C# using Windows Forms, conditions. Learn C# using Windows Forms, loops. Learn C# using Windows Forms, arrays. Learn C# using Windows Forms, methods. Learn C# using Windows Forms, classes. Learn C# using Windows Forms, final exam. In the last video, final exam, we will create together a complete Windows Forms tool from start to finish. In this we can use many of the new learned knowledge from this tutorial. Now let's start with the first video. Learn C# using Windows Forms, getting started. We will cover the following points. Step 1. Installing Visual Studio. Step 2. Creating a new Windows Forms project. Step 3. Adding controls and customizing their properties. Step 4. Writing code to respond to user events. Step 5. Building and running the application. And now enjoy the practical part of this video. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.